Yeah, man. Lonesome up, man. I'm up. All right. Hear this now. Couple people well as lonesome when they hear you touch the ruling of the Supreme Court with the little dreadlock girl, Rasta girl, the little child, with the school, the principal now them want deny her entry to the school, and then them parents must carry them to the court, and the court, the high court, our high court rule. The high court rule can't write, it can't write. And people, you have to remind these people. We got through that thing in 1963 already, where them discriminate against Rasta and the Rasta community. You saw them mash them up? This not supposed to happen back in history, I repeat, in history, because you see, you have freedom of religion and freedom of speech and freedom of Africa things, see? And Rasta thing is more like a religion right now. You see me I say, a Rasta, a religion. You have all kind of religion right around the world. Because first time them take people that bully yaga. I remember this. In a Enwamaga now, you have two dreadlock. Two politicians went there with full dreadlock. Yeah? Damien and the next Terrella. In a Enwamaga now. I pass all kind of things. Them should have come out furious. And then you have you have some people where Bad Marley. Yeah, man. Artist of the century. The century. I carry Jamaica flag to enough more man. See? Rasta. You have in this state you have even FBI where Rasta. When you look when them come for the this, you say Rasta. Rasta everywhere. A matter of fact, in a Jamaica, I think you have undercover. If you check them out, you maybe have some of them are Rasta. I have some police go undercover, some of them Rasta. Break them ear away and do all kind of thing. And both ears and do everything. When blending a crowd, because you have a set of police there too. It's West Station downtown there. So, see, the judge, we're not busy about Supreme Court. Remember our court, the people them court. Can't overstep the bound. Must do that. See? And you can't go say, hey, the principal of a right or the board of a right, and not for them school neither. Our school. The school now have nothing to do with the child to come learn, and get for deal with their education and them thing there. Nothing to do with that. See? And you can't use a term and say lies and things lies going on in anybody's head. And we don't have no lies outbreak in Jamaica for a long time. And anybody at all, that way you cut off here and cut it low. You need full round that, so that now you can't, there is nothing them can use. And the next thing too, not for the rest of them. Artists and things, they should have come like a beer fire right now. And even them in Enwamaga now, it's called foolishness. You understand? You know, come, and that may try to Jamaican a dictatorship, people not see them kind of little thing, You understand? That have nothing to do with education. Feel like you have nothing to do with education. And the judge not supposed to involve in this and tell us, no, them can't do this. Only think of 1963 this, a cruel garden, that is foolishness. You understand? This, the judge have to go reverse. And some of them judges want to come off on the bench too, because some are self-centered. And I freedom of speech again and a true. Because when I take something literally like, you sit down there, you know, think about the freedom, people freedom. Freedom of who them want to worship, if them want to worship Buddha, Selassie, who them want to worship, fit them right, fundamental right. You understand? Jesus or who you want to worship, who want to worship crocodile or who want to do what. You don't have no right, judge. If you tell people, say no, and you can't buy no kid from no school. That's why we have the school. And by the way, remember what we say government, it's like you put, a body of people for govern our things, so our asset. So it belongs to Windy. That's why them have election every 5 years. You see what I say? And then the government have the different branches. So we have to know what to do. You understand? We have to know what to do. Because this null and void. Null and void. This is a foolishness. You see what I say? And no for the rest of them, keep it on if you come fling all two fire upon that too, Tony Rebel, we not talk about the whole one if you come up on not talk about, man. I'll be a fire not supposed to have finger, your sister. Kalanji, I'll be a fire not supposed to have finger, brother. But I see what's not, Them out of order. Judge out of order to man. So we talk straight. You see me I say? The judge is supposed to be there putting a rule in on that. And the principal, like, say, the child, leave the school and go about your business. Start a different profession. It's simple. You understand? The school no belongs to you. Without the people, them kids neither, you have a job neither, you know. Remember this. If every parent still like me, you know, it's alright, you know what I do? We no want you there. If we're going to withdraw with kids, them have to fire you. And at them kind of way the people for start take a stand. Stand together, united we stand, divided we fall. See? So when you come with either thing on the board, we say we need the board for move. We move a kid. Remember, the school that got shut down, you don't have a job. The government now have another choice. But fire on. People have to start using the real power, you know. You understand? Start using the real power. Do like in the state, them try that now, you know, so be a demonstration and be a sitting. Them have to roll back something. You don't do that. See? And Henry Morgan knows we pass all these legislation and do all kind of things. When I mean, when I have 2 dreadlock in that and know when we come out, come say bloop, bloop, bloop and blast up. The amount of blast and the amount of judgment you're supposed to come blast and Rasta artists and them things they're supposed to blast. Right now, the judge supposed to trim and a boot or in boot. You understand? But it's not right. Judge, this is not supposed to even be a court. And then it's not supposed to even mention, me see in a Jamaica, you have teacher lock out our kids from school. Oh, them come late. And we not tolerate it. Them don't, me tell you, say them angle the kids, them like the worst. That if any country where angle kids and all people are here, it's a doom country. Me not ask, tell me I tell you no. You see me I say? When you start this elder, you angle the kids them like that. Because the kids them are grow up in that kind of manner there. It's a doom country. You're not smart, you know. You're not smart. You see me I say? You can't run put no kid in America. You as a parent, them are going to come take your kid from you, you go to prison and when them go to school, to a matter of fact, the school itself, I look out for the kid, for look out for any abuse, any lashing, anything, and report, and have to report it to the police. And them are come for you. I saw Jamaica should have run. Instead of, lock out a kid out of school. Oh, you get that. Because when you lock out some girl child out of school, especially all them high school, where them go, them can't go home back. Because them come from some girls sometimes gunshot a bus and all kind of thing. See? And them can't go home back. What happen? Them either go somewhere, get raped, or go each up with some man and do something and anything happen to them. When you lock out the youth, them what them do? Go join on some car and them get in some terrible trouble. Una lock them out and not phone the school. Eh? And I say, yeah, man, them need for punishing, them need for punishing, you don't even understand where the people them are come from. You can't do these things. These things is a no-no. It's not supposed to happen none at all. Nobody talk about 2 manners and thing. No. And I like the man uptown where he might feel him own car and him drive him car. Yeah, man, a discrimination, brother, to the fullest, of course. Him drive film car and him can't let her film kid. My kid, but my daughter, them I go 100 prep. I have told them I go 100 prep. But, and everybody can send them youth with them because if somebody charge you X amount of 100,000 per year. Yeah? And everybody can pay that. And then you can get up and you can prepare them and you can drive, drop them off and then you can pick them up back and you have to involve in everything. And everybody could have do that. When you drive past and when you look at some little bus stop or some little ticky, some little with some big bag, and them I forgot to take bus go where them are going and say, my God. And that even school bus. Go look for another country, school bus appear. That's what I know, so the government, I'm telling you this, I'm going to think them do a sit down and thief, from pictures, I'm going to right back, and them not put nothing in place. Because you have enough youth eating a wipe car glass now, them pass them and buy them reach 14, 15, 16 and come like some little sheep and wait for slaughter. They come the same police them and start kill them out one. Like them a chicken or them a agga or them a goat or something. And it's wrong. If them just put half. Oh, them a talk about them about crime fighting measure. If them put half of what them a do. In a dust for just reach to unattached youth. And put half of the money where them a spend. For say them a fight crime. And reach to these people, them younger youth and them people here. Jamaica is a different place. You understand? No. You rather have people just kill them out and do them like them there. You have to struggle for reach out. And when you reach out now, and them hear your name abroad, they see them a run come. That's why I tell you, say, I burn them, you know. When me see the Miss Jamaica the other day, and when me look, me see them a run gun, and be a police with big gun in a bar, they say, what this for? Because when she do her thing in the state or whatever, nobody not see her, you know. They might buy her one gun, them never believe in her. But when she win now, you ain't to minute, everybody a run go. I run if you run them way. When them come, if for me, I wait when the camera come. Let me tell you something. Don't approach me. I'm approachable. I'm approachable. When it come to government and them and for them body and them thing there. Because you do your own thing and them approach you. Like you and them a friend and then come and look picture up. Me run them way same time, straight up front. Me never put them. You see me I say? Yeah man. Yeah man, no I to the start about the Henry Morgan house. Yeah man, we talk about the two of them one where I do that in Henry Morgan house. See? And me I say no judge, brother, me I say no judge now have no right. Yeah? For inch print from people human rights. No judge. You know Jamaica. If you tell you say, hey, you hear you know? But you lack it. Remember you hear, I naturally hear that. I'm go check the judge. The judge, you have to stop where the falls with there as judge. Whether man or woman. That and your ear. The white sitting over curl up, only if you burn it. That you forgot do. See? Nobody not take that alone, you shouldn't even have it on. Me see them have it in my house, because I see pregnant now one, you know. That for burn too, you know. And the girl naturally hear that. And you want she cut it. Because number you can't plait it, but if you lack it, it turn up or if it turn a problem. So if it starts same and it plait it and no problem. She can't wear it her ear. And if she will eat out and souls it can't wear. But you lack it turn a problem. Oh, you tell me oh. This is not Carol Garden and this is not 1963. We have to stop on the foolishness. You understand? This have to burn out. It have to stop. By the way, a virgin just send me this, you see? And I play it to you. But as him send me, him say police send it to him. And it mark Corner East and Harbour Street. You see it? See there? Corner East and Harbour Street. But when me play it, now I'm going to play it and make you see it. I'm not going to tell him what I tell him. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Anybody. Well. So, them send him that. But here this no people. Because here what them do, them send him that. Them say the police send him to him. But as me listen that, me just tell him, say, listen me, that's an illustration that them do something for, you know, highlight something or video or something. Just listen at the background and you see all the video come up. No, this is not a robbery. Because you know enough man will catch it now and them will start share it. This is foolishness. So this is something them will shoot. Yeah? For maybe show an illustration of you. Who's it or something? Can I tell the bedroom, you know? And them get what me talk about. See, because I know say them soon spread it and say this and that and all kind of things, you know. But me I'm gonna tell some people say that. If you look on it and you hear it in the background and everything, you know say something will shoot. Simple. You tell him, you know. Tell him point blank. But you soon see them spread it to some other people and them start show it. We do detective thing, man. This are definitely a shoot. That's why you hear the man after any bike and think of something a shoot. See, like with a shoot to music video and everything there. See? So if a police send that to you, the police will send it for, you know, for stir up some people because you have some people that run with some things in and show and say, you know, so some people just get your man and bag take away money. That's something I shoot. And not a real thing this. That's just something, some acting business this. You understand? So me show it. And yeah man. As me I say, yeah brother. Yeah man. Yeah man, but in the world, because you remember say I think one of them places you see Alex Dreadlock in the upper house of representative. Him did leave when he make him speech, you know see the video. You understand? You see Dreadlock in everything. You understand? We have Rasta in everything. Right across the world. We get music. We look and we get some face or we get some splasher and look on the logo where you look. See? You understand? And they take over the whole world. You can't discriminate. You can't discriminate against the girl because they're here. Any teacher do that principal for lose her job. You know ready for school. And them for tell you the truth. You understand? No, you shouldn't wear a natural ear coming in. And it's okay. But she put the look like in it. She plait it. And it's okay. but she lock it. And then alright. Right away she turn a monster. And where you tell me say, and the judge pick up that too. Where look how much case where you forgot try and them thing there. What happened to the case with man dead in a man house and them thing the judge? I quote judge. And what happened to the about 5 billion but a aisle were missing and them thing there from down a picture. And them thing they what happened to the man who supposed in a short pants judge. Eh? A CPU what name from the education ministry. And the one of them friend. What happened to them people here? What happened to the one of them people in the Margan house who are going with one bag of things and land and all kind of things where I take a judge? Eh, you know, you have a time you have for waste, go on the wig. Go on the wig where you are naturally in a court. The wig thing they fi stop. You understand? The wig thing they need to stop. And that you forget reader. And that you for ban. You see me I say? The white wig thing there, and that one you for ban. That's a foolishness. You see me I say? Still I get knocked up. Yeah man, me know say police go dreadlock in a US me show them they, even DA agent, you know, say dreadlocks to come and them, yeah, we show them. See, I'm more artists supposed to get up and come stand up and burn out this thing here. You understand? Jamaica go back where? Them people look like them people that talk about independence and them do this too. For when? Emancipation Day. How do that judge, man? Eh? Judge need for go on your wig, man. And a teacher, the people, let me tell you now, parents, you know, stand up for this, stand up for truth and rights. You see, when you see that foolishness, everybody withdraw. My kid now come to school until that teacher get fired. If the board do it, fire the board. No school now work. I saw when do it. We don't have powers. Nobody can tell you no, someone can't do this and that. Number one, I work with the kids them. And when if you look at them have any abuse and that teacher supposed to do that, don't work with the police, that work we grow up the kids them right, and you understand everything alright with them and them thing there. You not lock them out of school, you not put them out because them here them can't come to the school like you own a school. You have how much money you take and pay for the school and buy the school. Are you right? The same man there, if you buy a money tax at our school, you know, but you get a job because of people, kids. Some of them break it down for you. Without the people, them kids and things, who won't bother teach you, you won't turn a teacher because who won't need you. Okay? And you have many more teachers. So if you want, because if you drop down you retire now, we have to replace you. So you are replaceable. You understand? So if you have a problem and you're self-centered, you should go on by your business. It's simple. So we just come talk straight. Leave the little girl alone and make she go to school and get an education. You understand? This fi stop. This a foolishness. You understand? Yeah man, a true man, them are the problem in a society. Yeah? And in a Margan house, the pirate wig they were pernal, it for burn. It's the first one for burn to burn it. Right? A matter of fact, when you get even a cursing pan or something, put it in it, show the cursing pan it and burn it in a Margan house. That for burn too. You understand? That will not forget either. Because that's not perennial here. He might part tight white, the whole light white already. He might put part back and part and yes, they see the man on that wig. For what? Eh? Yeah, man, I put on a wig for your head, man. I talk about Mr. this and Mr. that. Mr. Pirate. Eh? That me I try to show now. Straighten up Jamaica and people want to start using the power. And we start put the kids them first. If we don't put them first, Jamaica not have no future. Not to go around and kill them and then put all kind of things on them. And then you ignore them. When them are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then they start, the little girl and boy, them, when they start rape them, when they do everything that's back to them. And by the time they reach 15, 16, police start kill them out too. Because them say boom bam, nobody at all for them. So you have to try pull through. And everybody will turn on them and say, oh God, them a kid. Them can't grow so. Because them grow so, we have about Jamaica. Nobody no want to try with them. None of this try them. I have to go play some music little later. Dedicate to the youth, them cry for the youth, them, you know. As a father, as a grandfather, as a uncle, as a great granduncle, see? Great, you know. As a granduncle, as a great granduncle, see? As a brother, as a husband, me have to stand up for the youth, them. See? Me have to stand up for poor people straight too. Because we can't forget where I come from, never. You understand? So I turn my back and fling some stone and chat some foolishness. Me no unite with nobody. Nobody at all. And me not shift position, because me not flip flop. See? What's right, stand up for what's right. Might not be it right, none at all. Alright. Before me knock out to, before me jump off. See? I get the text my running in, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, yes, brother. How you mean? Up, brother. Straight, man. You see me, I say? We not switch position, brother. You know, a lion, we lion, you know. We not switch position at all. Never. You see me, I say? You see me, I say? Because them what? No care what we do. Much decades ago, where you to have got through, when enough man I got through same way now, enough little youth them I got through right now. Saying? And we now turn elders, right? And after time we're gone off of the land too. That's why we not take debt for revenge and all kind of things. So we want to teach you them and we use them and reach out to people. But you have some people just want this try and self-centered and one. You put someone in a power and them feet say them are God now, you know. You understand? And them rule and them understand, you know, you not see it, you have to leave it. The police, once a police, twice a civilian. Judge too. You have to leave your seat too. You're not gonna be judge every time. You ain't gonna run up on you or something, you still have to go leave. Doctor too, the whole away. We still have we're gonna depart here, by the way. So true that now it make me think deeper than now. You know, the average man I think, no sir, me not make certain things bother me. I mean, I really die for people things and things, but you have to speak truth to power. You understand? Look on corruption when me attack and nobody not see this. Look on this when drop the paper before me leave. Look here. Look on this. I have to speak truth to power and look on this. Eh? If you want Jamaica better, or Jamaica better with this. Look here. You see me I say? 2 cops convicted of 150,000 other bribe to release wanted for murder. Wanted for murder. Eh? 2 of 3 policemen who was accused of soliciting, accepting 150,000 for not arresting a man who was wanted for murder were found guilty of breaches of the Corruption Prevention Act when they appear in the Hanover Parish Court on Friday. It's a long time. You see them love do this thing down there. 2 are Constable Andre Drummond, Shemra Hewitt, both from Hanover Police Division. Conrad Clark, a 3rd constable from the division who was charged with aiding and abetting the soliciting acceptance of money, was however found not guilty. Constable Drummond and Hewitt are to be sentenced on August the 31st. Why wanna wait so long? The man them fi have sharp pants, 100 years, me a looking a judge. 100 years, nothing less. You have to send a strong message. If a man wanted and you let him go because of money. These are the things I tell about. See? They were both remanded in custody, pending social inquiry report. You don't want a social inquiry report. You understand? The court was told that during vehicular checkpoint duties in January 2017, a car was stopped, from which Hewitt and Drummond took a wanted man and the driver of the car into custody in a police vehicle. What them do? And they were to Lucy police station. They reportedly bargained with the men for some to be paid for their release. You hear this? Based on evidence that was presented in court, the driver was subsequently taken to the bank and directed to make a withdrawal. Hey, yo, the man is serious, man. Eh? The withdrawal 150,000, which he give to Hewitt, who left with the police vehicle with Drummond. All them things. Eh? And these are the things that when you hear me attack, them things, and that me I tell you then, nothing can better. It can better. Because, hear this now. If all right, it's like this now. Me the music. And there is no man. Every man come and say, well, loan some, you man loan some. Like what the one I tried the other day. I said, loan some splice. Splice to do. Look, now every man, every one of them foundation man, yeah, I'm a brother them. Every one of them. You go look, you see me a video Gregory there, so I see me and Gregory are there, and tell me which one of them you think could have moved in. You see me and every one of them, you just Google, you see me and every man, a family. So you see me and me alone, and worldwide too. My phone is like a White House phone, so you take me up and we call any man, I use a boom boom from alone, so every man ready. Whether Toots, whether Derek Morgan, whether Willie Williams just call me, whether Ernest Pitt, see Miss Janet just dead there. You know, good for that mind too. See? Whether Bunny Wheeler, I always see him sick there, because you know we always done on him same way. And the one that you just name them. Whether Lucian or the whole of the veteran them, whether Everald Dunkel, whether Oriel Sandy, whether you just name them. I'm a family them. So when me get up and Me see the man them start me splice and thing and me burn them. Me no business when some youth say, boy, loan some stop man for me food. No, you say for no, be that student and do honest thing and you want to help me, with help on them. Me say, alright, you can advise a man there do this, I will help them out and them thing there. But you can't do that, you can't have a boy or a friend them. We don't do that. See? So me 100%, more than 100% against that. And me personally get up and war against that straight and cut it down and save a lot of sound worldwide. I know some people chat to me from whether China, whether Japan, whether right around the world. Yeah? Because I don't know that. See? When we are Europe, when people say we are Europe and them place there, people, what you talk about? More of them sound man, them miss alone some. Every man, what you talk about? See? So these are the things I try to show you. You have to stick to what you do. See? So me no take bribe and turn my face. And you couldn't come to my studio and come and say, make me go splice someone there. You can't do that. I'm matter of fact, you can't bring it to me. Because you can disrespect me. I'm matter of fact, I have artists virgin if them do something when I write, I can't come to my studio either. Others, some them know some rule. Some rule, you know, you rule your then on the next level. Because I deal with respect. So I deal with you with respect. So when a man approach me, a man just know say, hey, I saw the man stay in the man more stricter than what you think, you know. Because I'm not the laughing thing and them thing there. Yeah, you might have seen me laugh and them thing, but I'm not the plain thing. I'm not disrespect you, so I'm not going to take that disrespect thing there. Saying, I mean, I want to, you can't deal with criminality and each up on the thing. It's not going to work neither. See? And if you try, we'll help you. But you can't go stay out there and then you go splice and sell someone and mash up them things. So me, personally, we never call the police and do that. I mean, you know, we don't cut them out. We just tell someone, say, listen, any man where you have advice, make sure the man them video them and you see them in the studio advice. Like when you see me sit on advice, every man. Who you see me advice? Any man. And you look me have around 2,000 videos, but I could have put more too. With me advice, who you want some advice, plus me I keep showing them and them, plus them they on my label. Some advice myself, I'm advice my brethren them. See? I'm keep the music real 100% regular dancer. You know, see my advice certain things. Come in and listen certain things, you know. Not my style. Yeah, me bolo, I'm a brother too. Tune with him, video with him from way back when and the whole way. So the whole of them and them, and me. Same way. So we have to protect these things. And when someone sit down and watch that run, me step up and say, no, this have to stop. I stop it. Someone try to tell about me, just stop it. So if a man come and say, boy, loan somebody, no. That's how this man now try to show no police now. So if you're not police, you're not policing. Only can be police but be criminal at the same time. So we are musician, we have to stop them from doing what they do. And me police it. Stop enough of them. Because the monks are sound man already overseas. And then put some seed in my hand. Over $20,000 worth. A fake dog. I have to tell someone that sometimes I love too much cheapness too, you know. Because when I know someone I work for X amount for a tune and they still when they hear say boy $1.50, you know, 150 US and 200 US and you know say I'm gonna work for 5 bills to one tune. And I 8 bills for a tune. And on the year say boy 150 and run give man make man do now 20 of them foolishness. Stop it, man. Stop it. Don't make cheapness catch you no man. See? And we use the video and them thing now, we cut it out. See? So right away, you know, you have the criminal them and I said, boy, I want to loan some. Because we have all artists too. Because other artists tell me, say, boy, artists, I say, boy, loans must stop the man them from eat food. Me not stop nobody from eat food. So when me hear say artist say that as a veteran, as a DJ too. I say, yo, him can't come back to my studio either, man. I mean, your man already, me that foreigner here, man, I say, yo, thump in him face, him rob me. I say, no violence. And him there, if you know, say, I talk for him same way. I said, no, that's preventing, no violence. Don't do that. See? So we keep it real. Keep it 100, man. Loans and keep it 100. But what you do, you save the people. People cannot work them hard work money and then man want to give them fake things and them thing there. We don't night, so we burn it. See? So we could have said, all right, boom, boom. Me not pay my friend. Load of the man and my brethren. That's why me can't keep sure. No care who show them I keep, and me I keep me sure up. They can't any man. For me say boom bam, and me say touch. I'm at half a time tell me say load, so I'm gonna set up where you set up there so boom 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 and call boom bam bam. There's some my things there. But enough man have to go through a bag of different bookings and can't get nobody to move and things. Me no need to do that. I'm me man. I'm me sit down on the chair, I'm good. That's what I tell you, I'm good. I'm me. And when the things say, alright, I'm fight against someone, I fight against the whole fraternity, man. You can't do that. You see? We are poison. You understand? Yeah, man. But we just move cool with it. You know, you're not for exalt. Like exalt a base. You understand? And some things what we do on the work or put in at this. Enough man I put in quarter my work yet, man. Saying? So everybody have to stand for truth and right. See me I say? So this saying that in the music saying this to the police them. You can't be a police and be a criminal at the same time. It's wrong. And that's why our country stays so. And when you talk now, you have some guy. Now the good police them now begs. Because the good police them now say, a matter of fact, some in the business, if an artist and a criminal, I burn him too, you know. Say if a police and a criminal, I burn him too. And if you get locked up, if you get locked up. And the truth for talk, and certain things we're not doing it wrong, it's wrong. We must do it. See, and that way I say, we just want the thing right. And for me to right, me I wouldn't care, no problem. You go Barrington, me just say something like paper with you, you know. Colleagues, you're a good man. So me say you take over in the come. So, saying laddie, yeah. So loan some, you know, say, we're back up on things, but you have to go work, you know. Barrington now, yeah. Because you know, you go Barrington, you go turn liar and things in. And him take over that now. So we say, yeah. Because the way I come with, saying you have to step, you have to, although them take with the teeth and them thing, they but ramp, you know. Because you want to win, you know, so you know, so you get down some backings, you know. Because they come off a change too, you know. Because then, you see me I say, you have a pressure for certain things. Same just swearing. So you make loan some just big up, because you have a colleague same way, so. You see? Yeah, man. You understand? So these are the things that we you see injustice and some things, me about that straight. Me not go on no corner. Because we see get up people get pressure. Me say me dey on house stop already in the 80s, up in the 80s, and police take me for house stop. For what? You ask some stupid question, and we could have fall and wait up the people them things. You see what I put on house stop. You see everything but we are do star, hammer everything. Now I know stop, I see where I do it and just true. When you just come with some bullies and you do, try me again. See? So yeah, so I'm a comfortable seat. I mean I say no, I'm still over the much decades and still I continue the same. A matter of fact when I get worse now. So I have to straighten it out. You can't say so. You have to have a good Samaritan come and fight for the rights of the fundamental rights for the people, for the masses of people. When the youth them do wrong, we say them do wrong, but that no mean say we are crucifying a man because no for one sit there or una go judge a man. When I pay them thing I wanna go on with. When you people want to think, you know, when you say Monster Road and 10,000 round cell and a judge, I look and a man have 18 rifle where you catch him with and gun. How much more him sell before that? If you see 10,000, a matter of fact, when you get the next 600 round and the next must see 800 rounds, so I want 11,000 round, just him alone. So how much before him do this? How long him do it for? He might have sell all 100,000 round. How much people them round the kill right across Jamaica? And the one will get 15 years. A man that alone. Number one, me never not telling 100 years. You say 10,000 round. You what I do? I give you 1 year favor round. One. 10,000 years, you know. Yeah, man, what you talking about, man? No, 11,000. 11,000 years. And you're talking, well, 11. I say 11,000 years. It's a year you get fit. A year. And about no one concurrently that you do 1 year and come out. No. When you do 1 year, then you start a next round. So when 1 year done, you start, and it have to reach 11,000. See? So one of the sentence done. The other one start. And when I want done, the other one start. So you know. And then the gun them, you get a 10 years to each of them gun there too, you know. Each of the guns. So 18 more years that. 18 more 10 years. 180 years that. One, so you get 11,180 years. That alone you're good. And that's a strong signal. But the judge, no. I'm giving 15. And them having big house still living on them thing there. Forfeit it. Pay that thing when I go on with. Anyway, we're there. Free the little girl and stop on the foolishness. And parents don't work with that principal. She forget fired. And then for the board, the whole board for wipe out. Don't care when the kid go to school and school open back. I want to send a strong message here. Yeah. And if government are una and a matter of fact and you have to listen. Because if you don't want to listen, you move from out of your seat too. You understand you can't get no vote neither. You have to just hold them. You see the mark when I mark the bad thing that the X, me know say X mean wrong. It's powerful, you know. But them come go in the sweet talk. And catch on a vote. And then destroy one. I want to see the pirate them. See? Me keep it really alone, so me up here. Over.